If you're getting the Epic Games account link failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is especially helpful if you're trying to connect the wrong account, seeing a connection error, or Epic Games keeps refusing the link even though everything looks correct. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly what to check and how to unlink the old connection if needed. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, make sure you are using the correct account. This sounds obvious, but it's one of the most common reasons the link fails. If you have multiple Epic Games, console, or platform accounts, you may be signed into the wrong one without realizing it. Before trying anything else, double check that the email and login details match the account you actually want to connect. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old saved data in your browser can cause login conflicts and stop the Epic Games account linking process from working properly. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached files and cookies. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying again. This gives you a fresh session and helps remove any old sign-in data that could be causing the issue. The next thing to do is disable your VPN if you have one turned on. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games login and linking systems because they change your location or trigger security checks. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily, then try linking the account again without it. In many cases, that alone can fix the error. Now, if the account still won't link, check whether it is already linked to another account. This is a very important step because Epic Games usually won't let the same account connect to more than one profile at a time. If the account you're trying to use has already been connected somewhere else, the link can fail immediately. To fix this, go into your connection settings and look for any old linked accounts. If you find one that shouldn't be there anymore, unlink it first before trying to connect a new account. Make sure you're being careful here and only unlink the account you actually want removed. Once that's done, go back and try the linking process again. At this point, it's a good idea to sign out and sign back in using the correct account details. Then attempt the connection one more time. A fresh login can help reset the session and clear any temporary authentication issues. If the error was caused by an incorrect login state, this step often fixes it right away. Also, take a moment to make sure your browser is up to date and that no extensions are interfering with the page. Ad blockers, privacy extensions, or strict security add-ons can sometimes block Epic Games from loading the connection screen properly. If needed, try opening the site in an incognito window or a different browser to see if the problem goes away. If it works there, then the issue is likely related to your browser settings or extensions. Another useful tip is to wait a little while before trying again if you've made several failed attempts. Sometimes Epic Games can temporarily lock the connection process for security reasons, and giving it a short break can help. After waiting, try the steps again from the beginning. Correct account, no VPN, cleared cookies, and checked connections. That combination usually solves most linking issues. So to quickly recap, if Epic Games account link failed, first make sure you're using the correct account, then clear your browser cache and cookies, disable your VPN and check whether the account is already linked somewhere else. If needed, go into connection settings and unlink the old account before trying again. Those are the main fixes that should get you back on track. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.